everyone, Christina here with One Creative Direction. How are we doing? Welcome to my channel. We are going to do something fun tonight. No real testing or new stuff or anything like that. We're gonna do something fun. We're gonna do a bloom using my new cell activator recipe. And this is a 12-inch wood round, and we are going to do a swipe using this spatula. All right, and we're going to do a circular swipe. So with that being said, let's get started. As you can see, I've got my pillow already on the wood round. I've got my colors picked out. We'll talk about those as I lay them down. All right, and we're going to start with a color that I have had for a really long time and decided to mix up. It is Art Mind's Persian blue, not Prussian blue, Persian blue. All right, and we are going to put a significant amount of paint down here. I did mix in a little bit of white into this one, and I think it was Modern Masters white, so it was a metallic. So if this looks somewhat metallic when we're done, that's probably why. Okay, and the next one we are going to use is Soho's Cadmium Blue Green Light. I really hope these colors turn out good together. Needless to say, I've never used them together, so we shall see when this is done. All right, and next we are going to, what do I want to do next? I think I want to do the, let's do the Modern Masters Snowflake. I'm going to put that down next. I don't want a ton of this. All right, there's that one. And then I think we're going to do Unicorn Spit. It's Starling Sasha. I love using Unicorn Spit. The main ones that I use are the metallic or the sparkly ones, or whatever you call them. And then the last color we're going to use is Modern Masters Pharaoh's Gold. Also another one of my favorite colors. I also love using Modern Masters brands before my cell activator. All right, and we are going to load this palette knife up with some Winsor & Newton white. And it's been a really long time since I have done a swipe in a circular motion. I used to do these quite frequently a while back. It's been a while, but we're gonna try one tonight. And then we're gonna spin this out. I'm probably gonna lay some more paint down around the edge. Let me center this a little bit. I feel like we got a little off center. All right, let's do that. And probably after I swipe, I'll add some more pillow paint around the edge. All right, let's do this. Might have to touch up that center a little bit. Got some serious cells developing. Might turn out to be very pretty. We shall see. Ooh, those are pretty cells. Ooh. Look at that. Oh yeah. Look how pretty that is. Wowzers. I think I'm gonna have to get a little bit of cell activator. And first I'm going to take my little skewer. I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to have to take a smaller. Wow, that turned out really pretty. Holy crap, I don't think I could have asked for anything more than that. We're just going to touch up that center. I hope I don't screw this up. I feel like I need something a little smaller. We'll see how that works. All right, I'm just wondering if I have enough paint on here or if I need to add some more. Oop. Need to add a little bit more or not. I feel like I do. So we're just going to add a little more around the edge here. Yeah, I don't think we need any more. This is really, really, really pretty. Oh my goodness gracious, it's pretty. Those colors look really good together. All right, we're gonna give this a gentle spin first. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to pop a few bubbles because I don't want them getting bigger. Okay, let's spin this. Make sure we're centered. We're just gonna give it a gentle spin at first. All right, let's give it another one. Already starting to go off the edge over here, so we're going to spin it this way. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, these colors are amazing together. Wow. All right, we're already spilling over the edge. I'm gonna try not to spin it too fast because I don't want paint everywhere. We definitely need to get a lot of paint off of here. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's beautiful. All right, let's give it another spin. Oh yeah. We definitely need to move it this way a hair. All right, this is gonna be messy. All right, let's give it a spin. I need to get some paint off of this side. That worked a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see this. The colors are amazing, just FYI. I am thrilled that these worked so well together. All right, we need a few more spins. Oh, that is so pretty. Holy crap, that looks pretty. Woo! I am in love with this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. We need a little bit more off of this side. And just a tad more. Oh man, these multicolored cells in the center are like, wow. Let me make sure that one piece, oh yeah, oh yeah, man, there's a lot of paint. Wow, this is just gorgeous, just gorgeous. I am super thrilled about this. I'm wondering if I should turn this into a Lazy Susan. me see how much paint is on here because I don't want a ton. Ooh, that's still quite a bit of paint. I need to spin this some more. Wow, these colors look amazing together. All right, let's check it again, see how much paint we got. I think we might be okay. I think we'll be okay. Wow. Okay, you guys. I'm going to turn the camera off and bring you down so you can see just how spectacular this looks with these colors. All right. Okay, you guys, look at those multicolored cells. How cool are those? Oh my goodness. I am like so thrilled with how this turned out. Yeah, really, really like those colors together. Look at those cells in the center. I love it. Absolutely love it. It looks a lot brighter and cooler in person. But yeah, thanks for coming along with me, guys. I will update the end of the video with the dried results. Would love to hear your comments on how you think this turned out. Catch you on the next one. Bye now.